Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel EV Riders. Today we will discuss the most expected next-gen 2025 Mazda 6, a sedan that is stylish and comfortable for buyers. A few years ago, there were rumors that Mazda was developing a fantastic new rear-wheel drive sports car to replace the outgoing Mazda 6 with a significant power boost. Mazda management reportedly rejected the planned automobile, putting the project on hold for North America. It seems a premium Mazda 6 replacement may be back on again. Best Car Web says the new Mazda sedan will have a swooping four-door coupe-style body rather than a traditional three-box sedan look. According to the report, Mazda will also provide the sedan with a front engine, a rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive configuration option. Don't expect Mazda to revive the manual transmission, sadly. Mazda giving the new sedan the same engine lineup as the CX-90. Customers would have the option to select between a 2.5-liter plug-in hybrid with 323 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque, and a smooth 3.3-liter inline-six gas engine with 341 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque, at least in America. Either would represent a significant improvement above the 227 horsepower turbocharged inline-four of the previous Mazda 6. In other markets, a diesel might be accessible. Best Car Web reports that North America will be the key market for the upcoming Mazda sedan, which should debut at the latest in 2025. An all-new EV from Mazda is expected to make its debut in 2025. However, that is anticipated to be based on an already existing nameplate and probably a crossover. The 2025 Mazda 6 sedan is an attractive choice for buyers who are looking for a sedan that is luxury and comfortable. Mazda also does a great job with luxurious interiors for the class. That could be the recipe for an excellent sports sedan. What you think about 2025 Mazda 6, please let me know in comments section. And thanks for watching till the end. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And turn the notification bell on so you never miss a video until next time. Visit www.ev-riders.com for EVs and the latest car news. See you later.